Hello, I'm Chef Mark Cerise, Vice President of Global Culinary for Griffith Foods. The Science and Cooking World Congress is such an important event in terms of combining the idea of culinary arts and food science. At Griffith Foods, we blend care and creativity to nourish the world. And part of that blending, that care and creativity, is also the blending of food science and culinary. And we use those two attributes to really bring innovation to life through health and nutrition, through alternative proteins, as well as through sustainable ingredients. So we're not only impacting the health of human lives, we're also impacting the health of the planet.